Welcome to the Weekly News Tracker, your go-to source for staying informed on the latest real estate happenings around the globe. We've got a sizzling lineup of 6 red-hot headlines to spice up your real estate radar. Let's move on to our first news. MahaRERA suspends registration of 20,000 real estate brokers. The Maharashtra Real Estate Regulatory Authority has suspended the registration of 20,000 real estate agents for their failure to obtain the mandatory Real Estate Agent Competency Certificate. This essentially means that more than 42% of the total registered real estate agents now do not have legal registration to practice in Maharashtra. As many as 47,000 real estate agents were registered in Maharashtra with MahaRERA ever since its inception in May 2017. In an order dated January 2023, the MahaRERA had made it mandatory for agents to undergo training and obtain the prescribed certificate of registration. According to MahaRERA, if the 20,000 real estate agents complete the training, obtain the certificate of competency, and upload the same on the portal within a year, their license will be renewed, and those who do not follow the procedure within the stipulated time frame, their registration will stand cancelled after a year. Let's move on to next news. Defence Ministry objects to Godrej Properties project in Mumbai. The Defence Ministry has objected to a Godrej Properties residential venture in Mumbai citing non-compliance with 2011 guidelines specifying that construction activity is not permitted within 100 meters of any defence establishment. Seeking a stop-work notice against the project, the Defence Ministry unit has told the Building Proposal Department of the MCGM in a note that the plot is located within 500 meters of the Kandivli complex. The Godrej Reserve project is being built on an 18.6-acre land parcel and is having revenue potential of 7,000 crore. The developer has already launched about 1.91 million square feet and had got bookings for 1.51 million square feet worth 2,693 crore. Let's move on to next news. DLF to launch super luxury project The Camellias to in Q3 fiscal year 25, each apartment to cost Rs 50 crore. DLF Limited is planning to launch The Camellias to on Golf Course Road in DLF Phase 5 in Gurugram, having a sales potential of Rs 25,000 crore. The Camellias 2, which the company is also addressing as Lux 5, will be super luxury residences and will be a by invitation property. It means buyers can purchase apartments in this project only on an invitation basis, and the developer will review the customer profile before selling the unit. The Camellias 2 project is spread across 17 acres of prime land in DLF Phase 5 and has a saleable area of around 5 million square feet. This project offers more opulent amenities and larger apartments, starting at 9,000 square feet, compared to 7,000 square feet in the Camellias. Let's move on to next news. Godrej Properties sells around 650 homes for more than Rs 2,000 crore in Noida. Godrej Properties has sold around 650 homes worth over Rs 2,000 crore in its project, Godrej Jardina, located in Sector 146, Noida. After the success of Godrej Tropical Isle in the same sector last year, Godrej Jardina marks yet another Rs 2,000 crore plus launch for Godrej Properties in the Noida market. Sector 146 is a prominent upcoming residential corridor in Noida. It provides access to high-quality social and commercial infrastructure like the Noida SEZ, entertainment hubs, and film city. The area provides good connectivity to the upcoming Jewar Airport, as well as to the metro station, Noida Greater Noida Expressway and Yamuna Expressway. Let's move on to next news. Enforcement Directorate attaches assets worth Rs 59 crore of IREO, others. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, has provisionally attached properties worth Rs 58.93 crore belonging to the IRO group of companies and others in connection with a money laundering case involving the alleged proceeds of crime to the tune of Rs 1,780 crore. The agency has been probing the company and its promoters for some years now on the charge of duping home buyers by promising them to deliver flats, plots, commercial spaces, etc. The directors of the company, in connivance with certain other persons, siphoned off money collected from buyers and did not use for the intended purpose. IREO promoter Lalit Goyal and Roop Bansal, promoter of another realty group M3M, were arrested by the ED in this case earlier. Let's move on to next news. Divi's Labs founder's daughter buys two properties in Hyderabad worth ₹80 crore. Divi's Labs founder's daughter, Nilima Prasad Divi, has purchased two properties worth ₹80 crore in Hyderabad's posh Jubilee Hills area. Pharma company Divi's Laboratories was founded by Murli Divi and was incorporated in 1990. It is a producer of active pharmaceutical ingredients and intermediates, headquartered in Hyderabad. Areas like Jubilee Hills, Banjara Hills are among the most expensive areas in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, as many as 26,027 property registrations were reported in the first 4 months of 2024, with a total value of ₹16,190 crore, which is a 15% year-on-year. If you don't want to miss any update of real estate, do subscribe our channel now.